Hi, I'm Sean with Autel. Recently, we introduced the iKey, our universally programmable smart key, as well as the newest member of our key programming tool lineup, the KM100. Today, let's take a look at how quick and easy it is to generate a replacement smart key. All three of our key programming tools can program the iKey, but today we're going to use the KM100 to give you a look at how the screens work on the newest member of the family. In this case, our customer is an avid hiking enthusiast, but unfortunately on his last hike, his key stayed in the woods long after he left. We've proposed one of our premium level keys because it closely matches the OE design of his original key, but cost is an issue, so instead he selected to go with a basic iKey. With the basic iKey, we match up the amount of buttons he has, as well as the functionality, to make sure that he still has the dedicated remote start button that the OE key had. Now, let's take a look at the KM100 and see how it is to generate this key. First, select Universal Key. Then, choose the make of your vehicle. Next, choose the model of your vehicle. Choose your Ultima. Finally, choose the year of your vehicle. Now, this is an important step. Scroll through the list of available remotes until you find the one that matches the buttons and functionality of the OE key. Select it. Next, take your iKey and put it in the slot and select Generate Universal Key. The KM100 will check for a software upgrade for the key itself. If it's needed, it will update it. Now we're going to prepare to generate the key. Now that the key is generated, the only thing you have left to do is to plug in your VCI and learn it to the vehicle. For more information on our full family of products, be sure to visit us at autel.com.